First of all, great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Priya.
Myself, Priya, the shining star of class 8th British Standard, and today I am standing in front of you all for a speech on topic Baisakhi. So let's start. Baisakhi is one of the most important festivals for our country, India, and with great enthusiasm, it is celebrated in Punjab. This day not only marks the opening of harvest season, but it also holds the deep cultural significance. Every year, this day is celebrated on 13th or 14th of April. This is the time when farmers harvest their noble crops, especially wheat, which then turn their field into the golden color of crops, and air is filled with happiness and gratitude. As it is rightly said, farmer is the backbone of our nation. This is the time when we feel gratitude to the tireless efforts of our farmer who work hard day and night to feed the entire country. Apart from being a harvest season, it is also a very important day in the Sikh history. On this day, in the year 1699, 10th Sikh Guru, Shri Gobind Singh Ji, established a Khalsa Path which gave their community a strong identity. And this was a turning point in the Sikh history. United States, where there is teamwork and collaboration, successful is definitely there. This can be reflected using the Baisakhi celebration. On this auspicious day, people visit gurudwaras, offer prayers, and participate in langars where food is served to everyone without any discrimination. This expresses the idea of equality, kindness, and sharing. This day is also known for its energetic folk dances like Bhangra and Gidda. People wear colorful traditional clothes on this day to express themselves and their gratitude towards the farmers. This day is very important for the farmers, so Baisakhi reminds us to remain thankful towards the farmers and their tireless efforts. So let's celebrate Baisakhi this year with great enthusiasm, love and togetherness. On this day, togetherness can be seen everywhere. So let's celebrate Baisakhi with great enthusiasm everywhere, with unity and love. That was all from my side on the topic of Baisakhi. Hope you liked it. Thank you all and have a fantastic day.